is allowed. Very good. You have CCTV? You have CCTV outside? You are only the patrolling team. Only patrolling, huh? CCTV required. I'm just guessing because the big site. Why don't you put? I'm just putting on advice. It is very important, huh? Big site. What is CCTV? I will say explore the opportunity to install the CCTV. I'm not putting CISPA controlled area CCTVs. No. Even in at site, in the operation site, we have the CCTV. I'm just giving one recommendation. Even the camera is not allowed in the site. Really? The mobile camera. Yeah, that's okay. But at site you have the CCTV. I don't know.
No, CCTV cannot be provided because it's a CISPA controlled area.
Achha. Okay.
Yeah, it's a restricted area for photography.
Even in your operation area, you don't have I mean, camera?
No, we cannot use camera. Okay, even progress photos, we also not. We cannot take.
Regular patrolling. Please.